I'm going to show you how to prepare the mane of the horse. I'll show you two different methods. Now if you want to use a fleecy fabric to make the mane of the horse, it's very easy. Or you can use a yarn like this. So let me show you the fleecy fabric first. You want a piece of fleecy fabric that coordinates with your horse's color. That is 20 inches, about 20 inches by 8 inches. Doesn't have to be exactly, about that much. And you'll fold that in half. It's a big rectangle. You fold it in half like this. And then we're going to just cut little 1/2 inch slices. And you want to stop about 1/2 inch from the end. So you're going to slice it just like that. And then move down anywhere between 3/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch. And just cut that down all the way. You don't want to go much smaller or thinner than 3/4 of an inch on this fleecy fabric because it makes it a little bit weak. So this is good, about 1/2 inch to 3/4 inches, and you slice it down. This is the folded end, and you'll stop right about 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch from the end. There you go. And just slice that down. That makes a really nice floppy fuzzy mane.